process automation and data analytics. Hands-on experience creating a graphical view from CSV file using SAP Datasphere platform. Step 1. Create a table. The data builder allows you to create a table from CSV file. This is very straightforward. After exported file and deploy it, you can add in more parameters like key fields and associations. To be sure that all are OK, select View the data. Step 2. New graphical view. Select table like a source. Set up view properties like a name and semantic usage. Keep attention on the validation message. Give you a helpful information to guide you in your development. The fact semantical usage need to set up at least one measure. After finished all configuration, deploy the view. And check the data. In the end, all your artifacts are listed. If you enjoy this content, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.